In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove your WhatsApp profile picture. Removing your profile picture is a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, tap on your name at the top. Now you can edit your profile. What you want to do next is tap on your current profile picture. Then tap Edit. And then tap Delete Photo. Tap on it again to confirm your action. This is exactly how you can remove your WhatsApp profile picture on an iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.